This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula McClendon. Secure building for vacations or year-round living in Weston. This tastefully renovated 2-halves is truly one of a kind and offers resort-style, maintenance-free living. Living area overlooks the sparkling pool, split bedrooms each west/updated ensuite baths. Redesigned modern open-concept kitchen is spacious and bright, west/expanded granite cooking island that seats 5, and radiant top range. Side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator, single bowl undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher, and glass tile backsplash. Laminate flooring throughout. Storage/laundry west/new washer and dryer conveniently adjacent to the kitchen. Security door entrance to the lobby and elevator offer safety and peace of mind. Don't miss the opportunity to own a distinctive condo in award-winning Weston where A+Schools and safety are a priority. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula McClendon at 954-217-8550.